Hey guys, Kyle, and I just wanted to let you know that I have a little bit of coughing problems, and wait for I feel warm, and I guess I feel good on the. Oh my gosh, my neck feels warm too, and so is my stomach, and so is my back. Anyway, just thank you guys so much for watching. I really would appreciate it if you well have a good time, but right now I am talking really loud. Bye.